Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 1 application of matrices and determinants. Exercise 1.5 solve by Gauss elimination method. Question number 1 second subdivision. We have 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 22, 3x plus 8y plus 5z equal to 27, minus x plus y plus 2z equal to 2. Very first step, the matrix equation is Ax equal to B, where A is the coefficient of x, y, z. 2, 4, 6, 3, 8, 5, minus 1, 1, 2. Variable x, y, z. B. Constant value appear in the right hand side of the linear equation. 22, 27, 2. Augmented matrices, write together A and B, A matrix with B. Now we want to bring in the echelon form. Very first step, if the position A11 has 1, someone very comfortable to proceed the problem. So, I can interchange R1 and R3. When you interchange R1 and R3, you will get the position A11 as minus 1. So, minus 1 or plus 1 doesn't matter. If it is 1, someone very comfortable to proceed the problem. So, first row become minus 1, 1, 2, 2. Second row as it is. Third row become 2, 4, 6, 22. So, I want to bring 0 here and here by using R1. See, step 1. Leave the first row, minus 1, 1, 2, 2. R2 implies R2. Opposite sign. This is minus, this is plus. So, you wanted to add. And I have 3 here, multiply 3 in R1. That's all. Got it? This is minus sign, this is plus sign. So, opposite sign you want to add. I have 3 here, just multiply 3 in R1. I'll get like this. R3 implies I have 2 here and minus 1 here. Opposite sign I will add. I have 2 here, just multiply. Got it? Very simple. Between these two opposite signs. So I am adding. And I have 3 here, just multiply 3 in R1. I have 2 here, just multiply 2 in R1. When you simplify, you will get 0 here and here. See, first R2. What is R2? 3, 8, 5, 27. Multiply 3 in R1. Minus 3 plus 3. 3 2s are 6, 6. It will be 0, 11, 11, 33. 0, 11, 11, 33. Next R3. What is R3? 2, 4, 6, 22. 2, 4, 6, 22. 2 times R1. Multiply 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 4, 4. 0, 6, 10. It will be 26. 0, 6, 10, 26. Got it? Now I want to bring 0 here. Before that, I have 11 is common in the second row. I will divide 11 in the second row. Second row divided by 11. It becomes 0, 1, 1, 3. I have 0, 6, 10, 26. I want to bring 0 here by using R2. See, leave the first row, second row. R3 implies R3 minus 6 times R2. See, I have same sign, I will subtract. I have 6 here, multiply 6 in R2, you will get 0. See, R3 minus 6 times R2. 0 minus 6 into 0, 0. So, 0. Minus 6 into 1, minus 6 plus 6, 0. Minus 6 plus 10, 4. Minus 18 plus 26, 8. Okay. So, after getting echelon form, see any two rows are identical or proportional? No. Just stop the problem. It is an echelon form. It can be written as minus 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 4 with the variable x, y, z, which is equal to 2, 3, 8. It is an echelon form. It can be written as like this, reverse. Ax equal to b. First 3 columns a, variable x, and the last column b. Now multiply minus 1 into x minus x, plus 1 into y plus y, 2 into z, 2z, which is equal to 2. Got it? Okay. 0 times x, leave it. 1 times y, 1 times z, which is equal to 3. And this is 0x, 0y, 4z, which is equal to 8. So I'll take this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. 3 implies, what is z? When you divide by 4 it gives 2. 2 implies y. When this 2 comes here, z is 2. 2 comes here, minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So y will be 1. First equation, minus x. What is y? 1. Z is 2. 2 2s are 4, which is equal to 2. So what is x? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 comes here, minus 5. 2 minus 5, minus 3. Minus minus cancel. X equal to plus 3. Got it? First step, matrix equation is Ax equal to B, where A is the coefficient of x, y, z, x are the variable, B. Constant value appear in the right hand side of the linear equation. Next, augmented matrix, bring into echelon form. It can be rewrite as Ax equal to B. Multiply, you get 3 variable, 2 variable, 1 variable. From the last equation, equation 3 implies z is 2. When you substitute z equal to 2 here, y gives 1. When you substitute y and z here, the value of x will be 3. After getting x, y, z value, just substitute here or here or here. Whether it satisfies, the solution of x, y, z is correct. In this way, you want to verify the solution. Is it clear?